Alright, we're at it again. We're testing these drywall anchors here. You know we like them 4 drywall anchors. What you got in your hands?
5/8, half, and 3/8 drywall.
So, respectively, we're going to test those anchors in these different thicknesses of drywall. And half. You can see we got less sticking out, and here's the 5/8. Not much sticking out right there. So we got a bunch of area to test here, and we've added some additional. You know, we've done the quick patch, California patch, hot patch, whatever. We have 2 of these patches down here that we went ahead and installed in 5/8 thickness. A couple people have left comments that, you know, that these type of anchors, I'm gonna pull them out, would not hold well in 5/8 at all. So I figured we ought to try it and see how well they held. So we're gonna try all of them in half, 5/8, and at the very end, Harley's like, "Why aren't you testing 3/8?" And so we're gonna, you'll see, we're gonna test the 3/8. So let's get at it.
Yep.
Anchor in 3/8 drywall. All right, so let's go ahead and zero it. Hit the T. Hit the T. Okay.
Ready?
Okay.
There we go.
Easy anchor and 3/8 drywall. Okay, we're good. We are using the easy anchor aluminum. We're in 0. We're in 1/2-inch drywall. All right, let's do it. Okay, so here we go in the 1/2-inch again. Let me unload it. There you go.
$102.
Yeah. Doing this in 5/8 now with the Christmas tree. Let me unload it. See, we're zeroed out there. All right, have at it.
Oh man, definitely a lot more.
150 some. Now I've had comments that people have told me that this thing would not hold anything in 5/8. So that's why we test this stuff. Okay, here's the last one in the 5/8 drywall. Let me unload it. Go ahead and, yeah, there we go. All right, here we go. Now that went considerably lower.
Yeah, 70.
Toggler anchor here. And take the load off. Okay, we are good to go. This is 3/8 drywall. All right, we're moving on to the toggler and the 1/2-inch drywall. Let me unload it. There we go. All right, let's do it. All right, so another 1/2-inch using the toggler anchor. Unload it. We're in 1/2-inch drywall. Moving on to the toggler in 5/8. Unload it. Yep, there we go. All right, so we got the toggler anchor in 5/8 drywall. Let me unload it. All right. All right, we're moving on to this easy anchor toggle style anchor. A little out of order, but this is a 3/8 drywall. Let's take the load off. Okay, looks good. Just mold up. Okay, we're good. All right. Easy anchor, tile style. Unload it. Yep, there we go. Alright, so we got the easy anchor toggle. Alright, so and this is in 1/2 inch. Easy anchor toggle and 1/2 inch. Hold on.
Oops, sorry.
Okay. Put your fingers. This is in 5/8, the easy anchor toggler. Okay, good to go. Here's our last one in the 5/8 drywall. Easy anchor toggle. Unload it. Okay, you're good. Oh man. Oh. Alright, we're moving on to the big guy. I don't have any of them left. Either way, so let me unload it. Alright, here we go. 3/8 drywall. Nice. Alright, so this is our last big one. 3/8 drywall.
Here we go.
Give it.
125.
1/2 inch drywall to the toggler toggle. Alright, we're good. Alright, we got another toggler, 1/2 inch drywall. We unload it. Okay, we're good. Yeah. Okay, we have moved on to the 5/8 drywall, toggler toggle, and let me lift it up. We're good. Oh, hold on. That's my hand. Okay.
Sorry.
Okay, you're fine. Oh yeah. All right, last one in the 5/8. And load it. All right, we're good. Okay, so what's your final thoughts on this? All the anchor tests that we've done here.
5/8 is awesome.
Yeah, I'm not telling you to sheetrock your entire house with 5/8, but yeah, so what we just saw right there, it's pretty impressive.
Maybe just one wall.
Just one wall. Speaking of that, we did a job now, let me say 3-4 years ago. 1/2 inch in, I thought we just had a 1/2 inch drywall. After we got into the drywall, the entire house was sheeted interior walls with 3/4 inch plywood on both sides. That explained to us why the walls are so thick. Yeah, that was a long remodel. That was Steve and I. All right, so yeah, we're both impressed with the 5/8 drywall. We didn't think that would be as high as what it was, because we'd been led to believe that 5/8 was possibly weaker than 1/2 inch. Trust me, I was having a hard time understanding that too, but that's what we've been told. So if you like this type of content, hit the subscribe button, notification button, and leave a comment. All right, last words.
Just keep hanging.